I'll show you how I paid off thousands in debt in just 30 days, and you can do it too. Welcome to the 30-day debt slashing challenge. If you're stuck in a vicious cycle of debt, feeling overwhelmed, and unsure of how to get out, then this video is for you. I've been in your shoes before, and I know how frustrating it can be. But I'm here to tell you that there's hope, and in the next 30 days, I'm going to show you how to take control of your finances and start building a debt-free future. As someone who's struggled with debt in the past, I know how hard it can be to make those first steps towards becoming debt-free. But I also know the incredible sense of relief and freedom that comes with paying off those debts and starting fresh. So, in this challenge, we're going to work together to create a clear plan, stay motivated, and celebrate our progress along the way. Here's how the challenge will work. For the next 30 days, I'll be sharing my personal journey of paying off debt, including the strategies I'm using, the progress I'm making, and the lessons I'm learning along the way. I'll also be sharing tips, tricks, and resources to help you on your own debt slashing journey. So, if you're ready to take the first step towards financial freedom, then let's get started. I'm so excited to kick off this challenge and share my starting point with you. As of today, I owe a total of $5,000 in debt, spread across 3 different credit cards and a personal loan. It's not an easy thing to share, but I'm hoping that by being open and honest about my financial situation, I can inspire and motivate you to take control of your own finances. To tackle this debt, I'll be using a combination of strategies, including the debt snowball method, debt consolidation, and aggressive budgeting. I'll also be cutting back on unnecessary expenses, selling items I no longer need, and finding ways to increase my income. I'm confident that with hard work and determination, I can pay off a significant portion of my debt in just 30 days. Over the next few weeks, I'll be sharing regular updates on my progress, including any tips or tricks I discover along the way. I'll also be sharing reactions from my friends and family, who are all super supportive of my debt slashing journey. Whether you're just starting out or you're already on your own debt-free journey, I hope you'll join me and share your own experiences along the way. Okay, so day 1 of the challenge is officially underway, and I'm feeling super motivated and energized. I've already started making some significant changes to my budget and spending habits, and I can already see the impact it's having on my finances. As I mentioned earlier, I'll be using the debt snowball method to tackle my debt, which means I'll be paying off the smallest balance first. It's not always the most efficient way to pay off debt, but it's definitely the most motivating, and it's already given me a huge sense of accomplishment. One of the biggest challenges I'm facing right now is trying to balance my debt repayment with other financial obligations, like saving for the future and investing in my business. It's not easy, but I'm determined to find a way to make it work. I've also been getting a lot of support from my friends and family, who are all cheering me on and offering words of encouragement. It's amazing how much of a difference it can make when you have a supportive community behind you. As the days go by, I'm starting to realize just how much of an emotional toll debt can take on a person. It's not just about the money, it's about the feelings of anxiety, stress, and worry that come with it. I've been doing a lot of research and reading about debt and personal finance, and it's amazing how much misinformation is out there. One of the biggest myths is that debt is just a normal part of life, and that you'll always have some level of debt. But I'm here to tell you that that's just not true. As I continue on this journey, I'm starting to realize that debt is not just about the money, it's about the freedom and flexibility that comes with being debt-free. I've been getting a lot of questions from friends and family about how I'm doing, and it's amazing how much interest there is in this challenge. I'm hoping that by sharing my journey, I can inspire others to take control of their own finances and start building a debt-free future. One of the biggest surprises for me so far has been just how quickly I've been able to adjust to living on a budget. It's not always easy, but it's definitely worth it. As I enter the second week of the challenge, I'm starting to feel a sense of momentum building. I've paid off a significant portion of my debt, and I can already see the impact it's having on my finances. I've also been doing a lot of thinking about why I got into debt in the first place. For me, it was a combination of factors, including overspending, lack of budgeting, and not having a clear financial plan. As I continue on this journey, I'm realizing just how important it is to have a clear plan and strategy for paying off debt. It's not just about making random payments or cutting expenses, it's about creating a system that works for you and your unique financial situation. I've been getting a lot of comments and messages from viewers who are following along with the challenge, and it's amazing to see how much support and encouragement there is out there. One of the biggest challenges I'm facing right now is trying to stay motivated and focused. It's not always easy, but I'm determined to push through and keep going. As I enter the final stretch of the challenge, I'm feeling a mix of emotions. I'm excited to see the finish line, but I'm also nervous about what the final result will be. The most intense moment of the challenge so far has been when I realized I had to make some tough decisions about how to allocate my money. It was hard, but it was also a huge learning experience. I've been doing a lot of reflecting on what I've learned so far, and one of the biggest takeaways is the importance of having an emergency fund. It's not just about saving for the future, it's about having a safety net in case something unexpected happens. As I approach the final day of the challenge, I'm feeling a sense of excitement and anticipation. I'm not sure what the final result will be, but I'm confident that I've made significant progress. So, here are the final results of the challenge. I've paid off a total of $3,500 in debt, which is more than half of my original balance. I'm completely blown away by the result, and I'm so grateful to everyone who's followed along and supported me along the way. If you're still watching, I want to thank you for being a part of this journey with me. I hope you've been inspired and motivated to take control of your own finances and start building a debt-free future. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I'd love to hear about your own debt-slashing journey and offer any advice or support I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more financial advice and debt-slashing tips. And if you know someone who's struggling with debt, please share this video with them. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.